igitego cy'amateka, igitego kitazibagirana mu mitwe ya benshi, igitego cya Jimmy Gatete. Abenshi ubu barimo baribaza ngo ni ikihe.
Igihe cyiza cyaje kugera, rutahizamu Gatete Jimmy abashizemo igitego n'umutwe. Abari kuri Stade National Amahoro bamera nk'abageze muri paradiso.
Football is emotion.
It crosses all barriers. You play football anywhere.
Always the best team that wins the game.
Leo Messi, he was not the tallest, not the strongest. Nobody could imagine that he will be the best player of the history of the football.
That's genius!
When I was 12 years of age, doctors told me I've throat cancer. But in my hospital room, I never got sick while I was watching soccer. So I became South Africa's youngest professional referee.
You don't refuse to pass the ball because someone comes from a certain place. You are going to pass the ball because you want to win.
Our country have dealt with so many challenges. This means everything.
It's not only about sports. It's shown us what we can do when we work together.
Football can actually help bring communities together.
I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. That dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible.
I think obviously when you're a kid, everything's bigger than what it actually is. But it's all part of growing up. And
always say, yeah, you have to work hard, you have to be professional. So that's what he say all the time. But without tough training, you wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here.
Where do you think that culture of beautiful football comes from, Pele?
I think come from the barefoot, the kids who play on the beach and on the street. I think that's the reason the football is a more spectacular than.
We grow up think about being a football player, and we seen at football a great opportunity to be a big star, so you can help your family. And
when I come into that pitch, that stadium, and we got the best fan in the world. Even when sometimes you have a bad day, they're always like pushing you away.
Football is very democratic, and so you don't need money to play football. We are third world here. All the kids all over, they can play football because they take some old socks and they make the ball and they start with passion.
Just because we have fun, we are very happy people. And everything we do with love, with our heart.
Second one, bring back. Third one, bring back. Oh, no. All the way down. Go, it's okay. That was
on the pitch.
Yes, like if you're good enough and you're old enough, it's just like you've got to keep working and working and working.
For any youth player that comes to the club, it's difficult. No one's guaranteed to get into the first team. It's as simple as that.
I do highly concentrate on the academy process, and the parts of my job that I enjoy the most, is to give a chance to young people. Let's not forget what it is about in the academy. It's first, recruitment. Number 2, quality of education. Number 3, moment of integration into the first team.
And that is, you've got to take the opportunities every single minute of the day. You've got to come to training and prepare to hurt yourself every single day. You can't take a break, you can't take the foot off the pedal, because if you do, there's someone always as good as you, if not better, and you're ready to take your job.
I'm going to have to get used to the pressure.
I'm a former Rwandan football player, and football to me really means everything, because it did help me to become the man I am today. Not only it helped me to find friends and be able to establish myself within my community, but it did play a big part during 1994 when the Rwandan genocide against Tutsi took place, because I'm here today because of football. If it wasn't football, I wasn't going to survive it. My teammates who did not share the same ethnicity as me, they did everything to protect me during that time, which was not the case for many other people in Rwanda. And thanks to them, I and my family managed to survive the genocide. So they do say football is not just a game, but I know that it's not just a game, and that's the reason why I thought, setting up something like to the people of Rwanda, and especially the young ones, trying to instill this important sport values into how the next generation can be able to stay away with what caused the problem of 1994.
I think the main one is I loved the game. I loved playing. I couldn't wait to start full time at 16. I couldn't wait for it to be my profession. My life was basically based around football. That was my priority, and I used to come in every day to learn, to improve.
Let's do the bottom first. 1 second. Because when they get injured, what are you gonna say? Every time we think an exercise, that's it. Come this way. Engage, you're not resting, you're not resting. Nabonye namba ko sinshaka ibintu bitangira hajya hazemo undi ngo kanaye jog around kandi mwese muzakina umuntu uri going through iby'uyu munsi nta kumoninga nta tukaba discipline. But you, this is about this guy. It's about him. In the game, once you get the ball, it's about learning how to catch it once or twice, because you are under pressure. And it's about the guy who comes to assist the guy who is a passer. Keep it simple, keep it simple, keep it simple. You're the one that passes. Yeah, have the pitch, have the pitch.
messed up much.
Trump, Jamie Munich.
It's an incredible night and history of it and what it meant to be the captain to go up to the steps and pick up the trophy.
Thank you, football. Thank you, this guy, my player. They are heroes.
I don't want to put that kind of pressure, but we cannot lose.
Yeah, over 12. So
we cannot lose.
Everyone in secondary school will come.
Yeah, I think we'll be great.
But you won't be playing with
all the fans. It's always special.
You won't be playing with 11.
Always special.
We're gonna the fans. But I'm sure you can do
this kind of feeling the players have.
We know it's a team now, so
Cushion header, but Gerard! You beauty! What a head, son! What a head! It's again! The European Cup!
Put you through the mill into injury time. Almost lost the cup and you win it. The new European champions, the treble, the dream come true for you.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Football, bloody hell.